In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Elementor website with WordPress responsive so that it's high quality on a mobile phone. So as you can see right now, it looks pretty decent on a desktop, but you don't know if it looks good on a phone. So what you want to do, you want to go to Edit with Elementor over here and start editing the page with Elementor. And then it's going to load. And there we go. What you now want to do, you want to go to the top left corner and here you can see responsive mode. So hit responsive mode and you can do it with a desktop. So this is the default preview, tablet preview for all tablets or for a phone. So go to phone and as you can see, this is how it looks on a phone. So as you can see, it doesn't look too bad, but it doesn't look very good as well, because especially the header, it looks very bad. And here you can start editing it for a phone. So everything else is pretty good, but this is just how you can edit it for a phone and start editing how it looks. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.